Step 1. Gather all the materials for the project. Step 2. Measure and cut the carton of milk to desired shape. Step 3. Measure and cut the construction paper to align the carton of milk. Step 4. Use tape to adhere the construction paper in the interior of the carton box. Step 5. Measure and cut the string to desired length and fold in half. Step 6. Tape ends of the strings of the opposing sides of the carton box. Step 7. Measure and cut construction paper for the exterior of the carton. Then adhere to exterior. Step 8. Add additional tape to any area that needs to be more secure. Step 9. Using a different color construction paper, fold in half and draw different shapes of eyes, mouth, and/or nose. Be creative. Step 10. Use scissors to cut the drawn shapes. Step 11. Allow children to place shapes where they desire on sides of the carton box and assist with taping them down. Step 12. You can use a marker to write your child's name or help your child write their name. And finally, step 13. Display your child's project.